Welcome to the bonus segment of using a door. Here, we will be closing the door. The first step of closing the door is to have your back face the frame of the door. This is so the door does not see you coming. Make sure to never face the door during this process, for opening the door causes it to gain a consciousness. And looking at the door while it has a consciousness will cause it to lock on you, and it will be impossible to move the door again. And you would have to perform the unbinding ritual, which will take years to complete. Second, walk backwards until your side is next to the door handle. Third, attach your hands to the doorknob as shown in the previous video. Make sure to maintain your position so that the door does not catch on to what you are doing. Fourth, move forward so that the door swings into the closed position. If at any point you have to change the position of your hands to behind you, then make sure to stop completely before you move your hands. Once you make it into the closed position, you have now closed the door. Congratulations! If the door swings into the room you want to be in, such as this example, make sure to perform your steps on the other side of the door. Just replace door frame with door jamb. Door jamb is a reference to how Jimmy Doorknob thought that it would be great to cover his hinges in jam, so that way they would never stick or squeak. He thought jam would be the perfect solution to doors squeaking. But unfortunately, it was not a viable option, so they stopped doing this. But the name stuck. Thank you for watching the Using the Door bonus segment, How to Close a Door. I am so glad that there were so many supporters in closing a door. There will be no future door videos unless there's any advancements on how the door works and its history. But there will be other objects in the future. If you have any ideas for objects that you want to know more about, put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for watching the Plaid Lab.